Everyone, welcome to a new video. Today is Dior. We are still here in Athens and we went to just buy a few things at Dior. So I'll make this as quick as I can for you all. Beautifully wrapped. This one would be a belt. It is a beautiful reversible belt. So you just see the little Christian Dior, and then on the reverse, it's just this beautiful black. So this is the one with the logo. It's so pretty. You could put this as a waist belt with dresses or use it just as a regular belt. Next is this one. We had another very lovely sales associate. Put a little sticker on the wrapping paper. And this one is a little card holder. Very cute. And then we've got what's in this one. Didn't want to come out. Again, beautifully wrapped. Feels so bad taking off the strings. How does this one open? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's got a sticker. Okay, there we go. Again, with that beautiful blue Dior logo. Beautiful little pouch there. This would be great as a clutch. Here's the little strap for it. And inside it's got little slots for your credit cards. I believe it's got at least 3, and then one big slip pocket too. So this is the reason why we went. And so now there's the matching card holder and the matching belt. So you have the whole set. And then we put a nice little dust bag in there for it. So that wraps up the Dior video. Thank you all for watching. See you for the next one. And